press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, today we discuss one more assignment question papers. In the last session we discussed assignment 1 question papers. Today we discuss assignment 2. The first question is, if A, B and C are the three sets, non-empty sets, such that what he has given, A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, and one more, A union B is equal to A union C. If these two conditions satisfies, then the options are given. A is equal to C, B is equal to C, A intersection B is empty, A is equal to B. Under what condition? If these two conditions are satisfied, better I solve these conditions by analytical method. What I do, I take three non-empty sets, simple sets I have to take. 1, 2, 3. B set 3, 4. C set are also 3, 4. Means I take B is equal to C. We will see that it satisfies these two conditions. Okay now? So first what we do, A intersection B we find. A intersection B, it is only 3. And we find A intersection C. A intersection C, common element is only 3. Okay. Observing these two results, RHS is same. That implies A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. LHS is also same. Then we will see the second condition. So for that we need A union B. A union B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct now? Then A union C. A union C, find out 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe these two. RHS is same. That implies A union B is equal to what? A union C. Okay. So we got the conclusion. If these two conditions are satisfied, that means A intersection B is equal to A intersection C and A union B is equal to A union C only one. Observe these two sets. B is equal to what? C. So that means if A intersection B is equal to A intersection C and A union B is equal to A union C, only when B is equal to C. For this question, the option is second one. Next question. See, A is equal to, he has given in the set builder form, A is equal to X such that X square is equal to 1. X such that X square is equal to 1. B is equal to X such that X to the power 4 is equal to 1. So we write in the tabular form. That implies A is equal to 1 minus 1. For this, B is equal to 1 minus 1, I minus I. So we write the given two sets in the tabular form. A, here given the symbol rectangle, correct now? A rectangle B. This is new for you. We are not discussing in the theory classes. Yes. This notation we call it as symmetric difference. This notation we call it as what? Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. What? This triangle notation we call it as what? Symmetric difference. And the definition is simple. A symmetric difference B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. A symmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B is equal to what? A minus B union B minus A. You know A minus B. A minus B, I write the set. A minus B means set of all elements which are present in A, but they are not present in B. 1 and minus 1, 1 and plus minus 1 present in both A and B. That's why A minus B is what? Null set. Union. B minus A. B minus A means set of all elements which are present in B, but they are not present in A. 1 and minus 1 are present in A. I and minus I present in B, but they are not present in A. So for B minus A is what? I comma minus I. Empty union. We want asymmetric difference B. Asymmetric difference B. Empty union I minus I is what? I minus I. This is the answer. So understand the triangle notation in the set we call it as symmetric difference. The option is first one, I minus I. So a difference, a symmetric difference B. The definition is what? A minus B union B minus A. So for this question the option is first one. Next question. If A, B, C are three sets, what he has given? A intersection of what? B union C. We solve this in a simple method. So this indicates what? The definition of distributive intersection over union. Only one line answer. A intersection B. If you know the concept very well, it is very easy. A intersection C. Distribution of intersection over union. A intersection B union A intersection C. See the option? Third option. A intersection B union A, not third, fourth one. A intersection B union A intersection C. For this question the answer is fourth option. Next question. If A and B are two sets, so what he has given? A minus B. A minus B union B minus A union A intersection B is equal to. So it's very lengthy. We solve this type of problems by using Venn diagram. You know the Venn diagram also. For that Venn diagram, universal sets are represented by a rectangle and the subsets are represented by a closed curve. Usually what we take the circles. So these two are the two subsets of the universal set U. Okay. So you know the reason also. So A minus B, this is nothing but what? A minus B, this complete reason. B minus A, this is B minus A, this complete reason. A minus B, B minus A, this is what? This is B minus A and this is A minus B and this is nothing but A intersection B. This reason we call it as A intersection B. Observe, very simple method. A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A, this complete reason. This is exactly equal to, by observing this diagram, nothing but what? A union B in a simple method. If you solve in analytical method, it is very lengthy. By observing the diagram, Venn diagram, so this result is equal to what? A union B. So for this question, option is second one. Next question. If A and B be any two sets, A and B be any two sets, A intersection of A union B whole dash, A union B whole dash. So this problem also we can solve by using Venn diagram. It is very difficult. By using De Morgan's law, it is very easy. See that this we can written as A intersection, A union B whole dash. You know, according to De Morgan's law, A intersection A dash intersection B dash. What we do? A intersection A dash, one group, intersection B dash. A intersection A dash is what? You know the result, empty set, intersection B dash. That is nothing but what? Empty set. Very simple question. Correct? Na? I can solve in a simple one, empty. So for this result, A intersection of A union B whole dash is equal to what? Empty set. For this question, option is 3. Next question. N of A, he has given N of A is equal to 115, correct? N of B is equal to 326. N of A minus B, 47. What he ask? N of A union B. So better we solve this question by Venn diagram. In analytical method also we can solve this one. N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. First we find. Then we find N of A union B. Better we solve this in analytical method. Sorry, not we solve this one in by using the Venn diagram. See that. A minus B he has given 47. Set of all elements which are present in A but they are not present in B. Correct? So N of A he has given. N of A is what? 115. We want first intersection. This reason. Correct now? What we do? We subtract 47. If you subtract 47, so how much? See, 15, 7, 8, 11, 5, 6, 68. So these elements, 68. In a simple manner, because N of A minus B means the elements which are present in A but they are not present in B. 68 elements. 68 elements means this is nothing but what? N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. Okay. What he has given? N of B. N of B is what? 326. In that we subtract 68. 16, 8, 12, 7, 5, 258. 47, 68, 258. Add these three, very simple. So 47 plus 68. First we add these two. Then this was 15, 115, correct? 115, 258. So 8, 13, 1, 6, 7, 373. So N of A union B is equal to how much? 373. Very easy method. So the option is first one. So I can solve by using what? Venn diagram. Understand? This is very important concept. In the last theory class, so I solved one problem, last problem, by writing only the answer. Then on that time I say, so here this question is nothing but CET question, we want only the answer. That's why this other same method I follow here. N of A union B means this one plus this one plus this one. So answer is 373, first option. Next question. If A is a subset of B, A subset of B, one more he has given, B dash minus A dash. So is equal to A dash, B dash, A minus B or empty. Okay na? So we observe by Venn diagram, very easy method. Universal set, one big set we have to write, B set. In that I write A set, because subset of B means all the elements which are present in A are also present in B. That's why I write inside the B. So what he asked B dash? B dash means this is the reason. This is what? B dash. B dash. A dash. A dash means this is the reason. This complete reason. See this? B dash minus A dash means set of all elements which are present in B dash, but they are not present in A dash. No elements are there. Whatever elements present in B dash, they are also present in A dash. Correct now? For this one, by seeing the Venn diagram, it is an empty set. B dash minus A dash means set of all elements present in B dash, they are not present in A dash. This is the reason of B dash. What I draw the line segment. What I draw the dark line segment, there is nothing but A dash. B dash minus A dash means empty set, because whatever element present in B dash, they are also present in A dash. That's why B dash minus A dash is an empty set. So for this question, option is fourth one. Next question. So A, analytical method only we have to solve this problem. He has given A is equal to 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, A set. B set 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 5, 10, 12. C set 4, 5, 6, 12, 14. What he ask? A union B. Intersection A union C. A union B intersection what? A union C. Okay. So A intersection of B union C. This we can written as A intersection B union A intersection C. One more result. A union of B intersection C. This we can written as A union B intersection A union C. So these two laws we call it as what? Distributive laws. We discussed in the theory class. Distributive laws. A union of B intersection C, A union B intersection A union C. A intersection of B union C, A intersection B union A intersection C. So observing these two results, so this we can written as what? Simply A union of B intersection C according to the distributive law. So A union B intersection A union C we can written as A union of B intersection C. That means, so firstly we find B intersection C. Common elements. What are those? 3 is present? No. 4, yes. 5, yes. 4, 5, 10, no. 12, no. Okay, only 2 elements. 4, 5 present in both B and C. Then A union of B intersection C. B intersection C. Combining these 2 elements, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. The result got 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Okay. So for this option is fourth one. None of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. So the first option 10, 12, 8, 10, 12. So second 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12. So for this question, the option is fourth one. That is none of these. A intersection of, A union of what? B intersection C. Next question. Which one of the following is satisfies? A minus B union B minus A minus B union B minus A. Sorry, A minus B union B minus A minus B union B minus A. So we solve this problem by the Venn diagram. So universal set we write. So A set, B set. This region A minus B. This region B minus A. Correct na? A minus B, B minus A. So union means only these two regions. Only these two regions. This is the region and this is the region. We left out the intersection. We left out the intersection. Combining this result, complete this region, we return as what? A union B. Correct na? N of A, N of B, N of A intersection B. In that, we minus for the common region, minus for A intersection B. Then what we got? A minus B, B minus A. So that implies this is always equal to, this is always equal to what? A union B minus A intersection B by the diagram. So for this one, the option is third option, A union B minus what? A intersection B. This means the set of all elements which are present in A union B, but they are not present in A intersection B. Next question. N of U, so this is an analytical problem. N of U is given 700. N of A 200. N of A. N of B 240. N of A intersection B 10. What do you ask? N of A dash union B dash. N of A dash union B dash. Correct now? So N of A dash union B dash. Very simple manner we can solve this one. So N of A dash union B dash, this is always equal to, according to the De Morgan's law, A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash. So this is equal to N of U minus N of A intersection B. N of U minus N of A intersection B. N of U is what? 700. N of A intersection B 10. 690. 240, 720. N of A dash union B dash. N of A intersection B whole dash. N of U minus N of A intersection B 690. We can solve one more. A dash intersection B dash. So this we can return as A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. So this one we can return as N of U minus N of A union B. N of A union B whole dash. N of U minus N of A union B. N of U 700 minus. So we know the formula. N of A union B, N of A plus N of B minus N of what? A intersection B. 700 minus N of A. N of A is what? 200 plus N of B 240 minus 10. 700 minus 200 and 240 means 440 minus 10. 700 minus 430 Subtract it. 700, 430. 370. So 370. So 200 and 240, 440 minus 10, 430, 370. I think a third option we have to correct. It is not 360, it is 370. So option is third one. For this question, third option 360 is not. I think it is 370. So for this question, so answer is 370, not 360. So you have to correct. Third option he has given 360. It is not 360. The answer is what? 370. Third option. Next question. If A and B are two sets, then A union B dash whole dash intersection A dash union B whole dash A dash union B whole dash. Okay, this is equal to null set, universal set, A dash, B dash. We will solve by De Morgan's law. According to the De Morgan's law, this we can write as A dash union is intersection B dash whole dash. Correct now? Intersection A dash whole dash intersection B dash. Intersection B dash. A dash is what? A dash only. Intersection B dash whole dash is B. Intersection A dash whole dash is what? A. Intersection B dash. Intersection B dash. So what we do? We interchange A dash. I interchange these two. Intersection A. Intersection B. Intersection B dash. Because we discuss in the property A intersection B is always equal to what? B intersection A. Commutative law. Why I write like this? A dash intersection A, B dash intersection B is what? Empty intersection empty. Empty intersection empty is what? Empty. That means null set. For this question, option is first one. Next question. A and B are subsets of the universal set U. He has given n of U. N of U is what? 800 he has given. N of U 800. N of A. N of A is 300. N of B. N of B is 400. N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is what? 100. What he asked? The number of elements in the set N of A dash intersection B dash. This is the question. N of A dash intersection B dash. So according to the De Morgan's law, we can write as what? N of A union B whole dash. Correct now? N of A union B whole dash. N of A dash means N of U minus N of A. This we can run as N of U minus N of what? A union B. Correct. So thus N of U. N of U is what? 800 minus N of A union B. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. We substitute all the values. 800 minus N of A is what? 300 plus 400 minus 100. 800. 700 minus 1, 600. So the answer is 200. Means N of A dash intersection B dash is 200. For this question, the option is second one. Next question. If A and B are non-empty sets, A intersection B union A minus B. Better we solve this problem by Venn diagram. Then only easy to understand this one. Correct now? Venn diagram. Observe here. This region represent what? A minus B. And this region represent what? A intersection B. Very easy. By combining these two regions is completely A set. Correct now? Complete. This means it is equal to what? A. If you solve by using Venn diagram, very easy to understand, because we want only the answer. So A minus B union A intersection B is always equal to what? A. For this question, option is second one. Next question. A market research group conducted a survey of 2000 consumers. This we represent as N of U, 2000 consumers, and reported that 1720 consumers like the product P1. So that we written as N of P1. Okay, N of P1 is 1720. Okay, and 1450. Okay, 1450 consumers like the product P2. N of P2. N of P2 is what? N of P2 1450. What is the least number that must have liked both the products? Okay, theoretical method, it is very lengthy. What I do? I add these two. Firstly, I add these two. 1720, 1450. Add these two. You also add 7, 11, 3170. If you add these two, 3170. A union B, correct now? P1 union P2. N of P1 union P2 is always less than or equal to what? N of U, because universal set is the big set. Universal set is the big set. It is not greater than N of A union, N of U. It is always lesser than or equal to N of U. By seeing this condition, I subtract 2000. If I subtract 2000, 3170 minus 2000 means 1170. This is nothing but the common elements. This is nothing but what? The common elements. So this is nothing but N of P1 intersection P2. If you solve what we discussed in the theory class, same type if you solve, so we got the same result. But here we want only the answer. For that, I solve by using this condition, simple condition. That's why I subtract 2000. What we left, 1170, this is nothing but the common people who like the product P1 as well as P2. So for this question, the option is third one, 1170. So understand? Next question. In a group of 1000 peoples, there are 750 who can speak Hindi, 400 who can speak Bengali. How many can speak Hindi only? How many can speak Bengali only? How many speak both what? Hindi and Bengali. So both Hindi and Bengali. So what he has given, in a group of 1000 people. So 750 can speak Hindi. N of H. N of H is what? 750. Okay, N of H is 750. 400 speak Bengali. N of B. N of B is what? 400. 400. In a group of 1000 people, that I can represent of H union B. 1000. This is given data. What we do? How many people can speak Hindi only? How many people can speak Bengali only? How many people can speak both Hindi and Bengali? Both Hindi and Bengali. So we add these two. Firstly, we add these two. What we got? 750 plus 400. 750 plus 400. 1150. Correct na? 1150. So subtract 1150, subtract 1000. We got 150. What we follow the last problem, same type we follow. This is nothing but N of Bengali intersection Hindi. Means the people who can speak both Hindi and Bengali. How many number of peoples? 150. Okay. So what I do, I draw the Venn diagram. Hindi people, Bengali peoples. Hindi people, Bengali peoples. So here both Hindi and Bengali speak persons are 150. 150. How many? This H. N of H is what he has given, 750. So 750 minus 150 means if you subtract 150, 600. 600 people can speak only Hindi. Okay. Number of people who can speak Bengali is 400. 400 minus 150. 250. 250 people. 250 people can speak only Bengali. 600 people can speak only Hindi. Both Hindi and Bengalis are 150. You can solve in analytical method. What we discussed in theory class. Same answer you got. Number of people who can speak Hindi only is 600. Number of people who can speak Bengali only is 250. Number of people who can speak both Hindi and Bengali is what? 150. So what concept I follow in the previous problem, same I do. For this, the option is, first one, number of people who can speak Hindi only, 600. Second, how many person can speak Bengali? 250, 600, 250. How many can speak both Hindi and Bengali? 150. So 600, 250, 150. For this, option is fourth one. So you can solve in analytical method also. You got the same result. Next question. In a city, 20% of the populations travel by car, 50% travel by bus, 10% travel by both car and bus. The person traveling by car or bus in a city, 20%. So that I can represent N of C, 20%. 50% by bus, N of B. N of B is what? 50%. 10% travel by both the car and bus means N of C intersection D. 10%. What he asked? The persons traveling, number of persons traveling by car or bus. N of C union B. Easy problem. Solve what we follow in the theory class. N of C plus N of B minus N of C intersection B. C intersection B. N of C is what? 20 plus 50 minus 10. 70 minus 10. So is how much? 60. So N of C intersection B, 60%. So 60% of the persons traveling car or bus. For this question, option is third one. Next question. n of u is equal to 20, n of a is 12, n of b is 9, n of a intersection b 4, u is the universal set, n of a union b whole dash. So n of u he has given, n of u is equal to 20, n of a is equal to 12, n of b is equal to 9, n of a intersection b is 4. What he asked? He asked n of a union b whole dash. N of a union b whole dash. For this question, see, observe here, n of u 20, n of a 12, n of b 9, n of a intersection b 4. What he asked? N of a union b whole dash. So for this, n of u minus n of a intersection b 20, n of a union b is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Substitute all the values, simplify it, we got the answer is 3. So for this question, option is fourth one. Next question. In a town of 10,000 peoples, universal set is what? N of u 10,000 families. It was found that 40% of the family read newspaper A. N of A 40% of 10,000. Correct now? Because we survey for 10,000 families. 40% of 10,000 means it is nearly equal to what? 4,000. So 9 and 10th class you solve this one. And 20% of the family newspaper B, N of B. 20% of 10,000 means it is nearly equal to what? 2,000. Newspaper C, so 20% over 10% of the family buy the newspaper C, that I can write as N of C. 10% of 10,000 nearly equal to what? 1,000. Then, so 5% buy A and B, N of A intersection B, 5% of 10,000 is nearly equal to 500. 3% by B and C, N of B intersection C, 3% of 10,000, that means 300. 4% by A and C, N of A intersection C, 4% of 10,000, that's nearly equal to what? 400. 2% of the family by all three, N of A intersection B intersection C, 2% of 10,000 is nearly equal to what? 200. Then the number of families which buy A only, this is the question, number of families which buy the A only. So number of families which buy A only, what we do? We draw the Venn diagram better. So analytical method, it is very lengthy, that's why I draw the Venn diagram. Okay. So A, B, C newspaper. This is A, B and C. This is the common reason. Correct now? So common reason, so 200 peoples. 200. Correct? Then A intersection C, 400. This is the 400 minus 200. So we got what? 200. Correct? Then A intersection B intersection C, 300. This is the 300 minus means 100. 300 minus 200 is 100. A intersection B, 500. 500 minus 200, 300. For A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C over. Then observe here, we want only the result of A. That's only one we have to write. Huh? N of A is how much? 4,000. Complete this reason is 4,000. A only. A, I write here. A only means in the 4,000 minus We subtract all these. Firstly, we add 300, 200, 200. 300, 200, 200. 4,000 minus 700. 4,000 minus 700 means what? 3,300. Number of peoples who read only newspaper A is 3,300. For this question, over. Correct na? So 3,300. If you want B, 2,000 you subtract 3 to 100. If you want C, 1,000 we subtract 200, 200, 100. We got B only, we got AC only. So here he asked the number of families which buy A only is, this is the reason, A only 3,300. See, very easy method. If you draw the Venn diagram, it is very easy. If you want to solve in analytical method, it is very lengthy. That's why these type of problems solved by Venn diagram. So for this answer is 3,300. Option is second one. Next question. If there are 3 athletics team in a school, 21 are in the basketball team, 20 in the hockey team, 29 in the football team. So better we write N of basketball, N of B, N of A. Okay, N of B basketball, that we represent N of B. N of B is what? 21. 21 are in the basketball team. Hockey, N of H, 26. N of F, football, N of F, 29. 15 play hockey and basketball. Hockey and basketball means B intersection H. B intersection H is 15. 15 play hockey and football. N of H intersection F is 15. 12 play football and basketball. N of F intersection B, it is 12. And 8 play all the games. N of H or else B intersection F intersection H is what? 8. Total number of members means we have to find out B union F union H. B union F union H. So this is the question. What we do? We use the formula. So in theory class we discuss one formula. N of A union B union C is equal to N of A, correct na? N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of B intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula for 3 sets we discussed in the theory class. Same I use here. That implies N of B union F union H, N of B plus N of F plus N of H minus N of B intersection F minus N of B intersection H minus N of F intersection H plus N of B intersection F intersection H. Substitute all the values. So that is N of B 21 plus 26 plus 29. So minus 15 minus 15 minus 12 plus 8. Solve this one. 21, 26, 47. 47, 29, 6, 76. This is equal to what? 76 minus 30 minus 12 minus 42 plus 8. Minus 42 plus 8. So 76, 8. 76, 8, 84. 84 minus 42. 42. So option is first one. So first one 42. So the answer is what? 42. Very easy method. Next question. A intersection B. A intersection B dash whole dash union B intersection C he wants. A intersection B dash whole dash. So we apply the De Morgan's law. A dash intersection B dash whole dash union B intersection C. A dash intersection B union B intersection C. C B dash whole dash is B, B union B intersection C. A dash, A dash. So B union B is always B intersection B. B union B is B, this one. Intersection C. A dash intersection. Here it is De Morgan's law, it is union. So here it is union. A dash union B intersection C. So B intersection C, these are all common elements, that is equal to A dash union B or A dash union C. Common elements. B intersection C is a common elements. A dash union B or A dash union C. So for this option, here what he has given? A dash union B. So the option is second one. So for this question, option is second one. Next question. In a class of 60 students, 25 students play cricket, 20 students play tennis, 10 students play both the games. The number of students who play neither. So N of U is 60. N of U 60. N of C 25. N of C is 25. N of T tennis. N of T 20. And both the games N of C intersection T, that is what? 10. C intersection T is what? 10. What he has? The number of students who play neither means neither cricket nor tennis. That means N of C dash intersection T dash. Correct na? Neither cricket nor tennis. So that is nothing but according to De Morgan's law, C union T whole dash. N of U minus N of C union T. N of U is what? 60 minus N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. 60 minus N of C 25 plus 20 minus 10. 60 minus 45. 45 minus 10. So that is equal to 60 minus 35. 60 minus 35. So answer is what? 25. So option is second one. For this answer, the option is second one, 25. Next question. In a town, 840%, 450 persons read Hindi, 300 read English, 200 read both. The number of persons who read neither. Here also he has given N of U. N of U is equal to 840. Then N of person who read Hindi, that I can represent by H. N of H. N of H is what? 450. N of E. N of E who read English, that is 300. Then 200 both means n of h intersection e, 200. He asks neither Hindi nor English means n of h dash intersection e dash. So this we can run as De Morgan's law. According to the De Morgan's law, h union e whole dash, n of u minus n of h union e. N of u is what? 840 minus 450 plus 300 minus 200. 840 minus 450 plus 100. Correct? So 840 minus 550. Subtract 840, 550. So 190. Sorry, 290. So 290. For this question, the option is second one, 290. Next question. A survey shows that 63% of the people watch news channel, whereas 76% watch another channel. X% of the people watch both the channel. Then he has given. Okay. News channel we can represent as N of C. N of C is what? 63%. Other channels we represent N of U. N of O is what? 76%. 76. X people watch both the channel. X people watch both the channel. Okay. So N of C intersection, it is what? X. C intersection O is X. Okay. Firstly we find N of C union O. 63 plus 76 minus X. Correct? 63 plus 76 minus X. See 76, 63. It is 139. Correct? So 139 minus X. 139 minus X. In this result, 100% N of U is 100% because percentage only we calculate. So 139 minus 100, that is what? 39. 39%. 39%. This 39 means X is always greater than or equal to 39. Correct now? Greater than or equal to 39. Less than or equal to 63. Because 63 is what? News channel. X is always what? Greater than or equal to 39. Less than or equal to what? 63. Means intersection. It is a small reason. It must be greater than 39 and it is always less than 63 is the least one. 76 and 63 when compared to these two, 63 is the least value. That's why I write 63. Means X lies between 39 to 63. For this question, option is third one. Next question. So A contain 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, B 2, 4, 18 and N is the set of all natural number, is the universal set. What he asks? A dash union B intersection B dash. So we solve this problem not for analytical method, it is very lengthy because he has given finite set but number of elements are very more. Better to solve by using the properties. What we do? A union, I change the bracket, B intersection B dash. A dash union A union empty, because since A intersection A dash is always empty, this one is empty. A dash union A union empty is what? A. Since A union empty is equal to A itself. A dash union A is what? Natural number. See, observe here when I draw the Venn diagram. this is the set A, and this is nothing but what? A dash. This is nothing but A dash. If we union these two, it is nothing but what? Universal set. Here he has given universal set is natural number. So for this option is second one. See, observe, if you solve in this manner, easily we got the answer. Otherwise, if you take by tabular method, it is very difficult. So for this question, so option is second one. Next question. If x and y are two sets, and x dash denote complement of x, then x intersection of x union y whole dash. X union y whole dash. So better this also we solve by using property. X union whole dash, x intersection of x dash intersection y dash, according to the De Morgan's law. So I change the word x intersection x dash intersection y dash. X intersection x dash is what? Empty. Empty intersection y dash. Since A intersection A dash is nothing but empty. Empty intersection y dash is also empty, because since we solve in the, we see in these all these things in the properties of intersection and union. So this for this one, so answer is empty. Option is third one. Okay, thank you. We complete all the questions.